Let's make a magic square using numbers 1 to 9. Start with 1 and fill any box other than the diagonal with 1. Move in a diagonal direction. If you step outside of a box, then go into the opposite extreme position as shown by the arrow. If the box is already filled, then go below the last box filled. Keep following this process until every box is filled. Your magic square is now ready. You can use this process also for making 5 times 5, 7 times 7, 9 times 9 or any n times n where n belongs to only odd positive integers. Level 1 Easy. Level 2 Medium. Level 3 Hard. Mirror the numbers and you will get square series. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.